Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband and smart. Live more.
Presenting the official referees for the first match. The first referee, Mr. Raniatya Rahmat Darwis from Indonesia. The second referee, Mr. Nguyen Kok Hui from Vietnam. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please welcome the two teams for this match, Team Philippines and Team Thailand. Get set for some high-octane volleyball action. Here are your players for this match. From the Philippines, number 4, Peter Denmark Torres. Number 10, John Vigby Guzman. Number 11, Rex Emmanuel. Number 12, Andre Joseph. Number 14, Esmilzo Jonah. Number 15, Mark Jesus. And the starting libero for Philippines, Sandy Dominic Montero. And the head coach for the Philippines, Oliver Allen Almantaro. Introducing the opponent, Team Thailand. Number 1, Jirayu Ratsukia. Number 5, Kisara Ninsawai. Number 9, Kitikun Si Utawong. Number 10, Kitinon Namkuntun. Number 14, Kitsara Somkane. Number 17, Saranchik Charunsuk. Starting libero for Team Thailand, Montri Puanglip. And the head coach, Monchai Supakjirakun.
Gandang araw mula sa 28th Southeast Asian Games. Battle sa Group A ng preliminary round between two-time defending champions Thailand laban sa koponan mula sa Pilipinas. The Philippines looking for a 3-set win to be able to progress to the semifinals. Ang Thailand naman naghahanap ng pangatlong sunod na panalo upang kumpletuhin ang pagwawalis sa Group A.
Gandang araw Pilipinas, tuloy po ang laban natin sa 28th Southeast Asian Games sa Singapore. Ito naman po, volleyball, Thailand versus Philippines. Nasabi mo nga, Coach Ronnie, we need to win in order to survive. We need to win in 3 straight sets against the defending champion.
Pwede magsano kasama si Coach Javi Nunag para sa huling pagkakataon ng Team Philippines na makarating sa semifinals. Ang ating pong women's team ay hindi nakapasok sa next phase ng matalo sa Vietnam in 3 straight sets. For the first time in the last 10 years, ang ating pong mga national players sa men's at women's event ay makakalahok sa Southeast Asian Games. Pero para kay Coach Oliver Almadro, sila De Guzman, sila Intal, at of course si Mark Espejo, ang back-to-back UAAP MVP, ang siyang magiging bala ng ating kampanya kontra sa Thailand dito sa araw na ito. First point off this first set para sa Team Pilipinas.
Team Pilipinas starting with Rex Intal, John Vic De Guzman, AJ Pareja, Mark Espejo, Smito Polvorosa, at Peter Torres.
A lot of big-time scorers para sa Thailand. Ang ating depensa ay masubsubok ng gusto. Yan ang pumalo sa koponan ng Thailand. Si Kisada, one of the top scorers, not only for Thailand, but here in this tournament. Siyang third leading scorer para sa Thailand. Isang running hit, pinakaulan laban sa floor defense ng Pilipinas. 2-1 for Thailand. Combination play for Team Philippines. Nasagot ng Thailand. Down the middle once again, Quesada exploding for the third point for the yellow shirts ng Thailand.
Quesada Nilsawai. Yan po ang full name ng premier attacker ng Thailand, and back-to-back attacks by Thailand, giving them a 3-1 advantage here in the opening.
Only 25 years old, born April 17. Itong primerong hinete ng opensa ng Thailand. Net violation matatawag. At ang puntos ay mabibigay sa koponan ng Pilipinas. Good break for Team Philippines. Coach Oliver Almagro hoping for another important win para dito sa ating koponan. Tinalo natin ang koponan ng Malaysia in our first game in 4 sets. Natalo tayo sa Myanmar in 3 straight sets. Excellent stop. Good offensive block coming from Mark Espejo.
Good net defense ang pinakita ng back-to-back UAAP MVP Mark Espejo that time around, knowing where the attack of the Thailand players were, at nabigyan natin ng puntos ang Pilipinas.
Napakahalagang dumikit tayo ng gusto. And even against the two-man wall, Kitikun also able to generate that last attack point para dito sa koponan ng Thailand. Kitikun, binasag yung two-man wall ng Team Pilipinas.
Reaction time ang importante dito sa Pilipinas, na napakagaling ng attackers ng Thailand. We need to anticipate quicker and of course to receive better, as a point will be given again to Thailand.
Dalawang sunod na puntos ang kinuha dito ni Kitikun. Kanina isang attack point at ngayon naman isang service ace. This serve is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Kitikun Sri Utawong from Thailand. Another solid serve. At isang quick ang pinakawalan ng Team Pilipinas na talagang nasapal naman itong si Quesada. So far, 2 players shining brightly. Intal specialty rejected. 1-on-1 at the net. This block is brought to you by Smart. Live.
And that serve opened up a lot of things for Thailand. At kitang-kita na anticipate ng Thailand kung saan aatake ang Pilipinas.
For us to get to the semifinals, we have to go through the 2-time defending champions na nanalo na ng 4 na beses.
Boom!
At ito yung klase ng opensa na may tangan. Itong si Espejo, the leading scorer for Team Pilipinas. He has accounted for 31 points in the first 2 games that he has played para sa ating national team. At pag pinag-usapan ng koponan ng Thailand, 5-time champion. 5 goals behind the 10 of Indonesia. Coach Oliver Almagro, makikita natin tumatalon-talon doon sa gilid kasamang Avi.
Very animated
Animated
coach.
talaga mag-coach siya. Ng Team Pilipinas, ang best finish natin. 1 silver medal finish at 5 bronze medals. At ang huli nating bronze medal ay nangyari noong 2005 na kung saan dito sa Manila ginawa ang Southeast Asian Games. That's straight to zone 1. At yan ang specialty of the house para dito kay Torres. Dinala sa labas, nilihis sa mga blockers at pumuntos ng ganun kalalim.
At that running attack proved well for Team Pilipinas, na nakapagpuntos tayo against the outstretched arms of the defense of the Thailand players.
Better control on that Mark Espejo serve. Two-man wall para sa Team Pilipinas. Will not get it done. Masyado malakas yung banda ng bola. And here's the first technical timeout. Team Pilipinas will be behind by 3. Thailand 8, Philippines 5.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
The new FamCam lets you watch over your family, controlled by the quad-core PLDT Home Telpad.
Life's too short to miss out on the possibilities. Go for the bigger waves. Reach new destinations. Conquer greater heights. Are you up for it? When life calls, it's game on. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Sa pagbugtaw mo kun aga, pamahaw kagid, pilion mong mga maayo nga mga pagkaon.
Cebuana Luwilier, pera padala. Basta pera, ipa-Cebuana.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo!
Stock up on data with Smart Pay Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big50 to 9999.
Action! News Alert!